Hey guys, Veo V3 is bringing up the internet with its all-in-one video plus audio AI generation. And people are creating a lot of cool stuff with this thing. You can literally bring back your old scientists to say,
I'm Isaac Newton. I'm here to say gravity's the force that makes things sway.
or bring to life that long-term movie idea in your imagination. But here's the challenge. A lot of people, after getting Veo V3, couldn't recreate those viral cinematic scenes. And this is just because of the way they prompt it. There is a way to prompt to get the exact results in your imagination. In this video, I'm going to take you through the basics of how to prompt exactly to get the best results from Veo V3. And I will show you how I created a music video with just a single prompt. If you watch this video to the end, I'm going to give you 2 content ideas you can start creating now. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this tutorial, I created a mind map of 3 W's that represent a component that must be in every of your prompts to get the perfect result from Veo V3. So let's go over it. So we have the first W to be who. Who is the subject of this creation? Who are we talking about? Who are we referring to? We're going to be detailed about the subject because AI video creation is just about the game of detail. We'll have to talk about the subject, the cloth, the air. The more detailed we are, the more control we have over this creation. So we have to be very detailed and precise about it. If we don't do that, the AI will just assume and give us whatever it feels is right. I'm going to show you a practical example of this in a moment. Now, the second W we have is where. So this have to talk about the environment of the subject. Where is the subject? Where is this person? We have to talk about everything about the environment. Where is sitting? Where is the subject heading to? Where and where and where. So we're going to talk about the environment of the subject, everything about the environment. And the last W is going to be the what. What exactly is the subject doing? This is going to be the action. So what is the action of the subject? Is he singing? Is he crying? Is he talking? What is he saying? If he's talking, the dialogue and all of that. So these 3 MapMind will guide you through your AI video creation apart from Veo V3, even on other platforms. So the first is the who, that's the subject. And the second is the where. Where is the environment of the subject? Where is he? And the third is going to be the what. What is the action? What is the subject doing? For every great prompt, these 3 components must be present. So let me show you how this works. So we say a young man with short hair. All right. So this describes the subject, but we still continue with the description and we say a young man with short hair wearing a blue t-shirt. Now, this is the subject and this is the description. So this is just a simple prompt and we're going to go from simple to advanced prompt. This is just a description of the subject. We're going to talk about the environment. Now, here is the environment. Sit at a table in a coffee shop. You can see that here in a coffee shop. It's going to say that the table in a coffee shop. And what is the subject doing? He's typing on the laptop, then it pauses, look at the screen thoughtfully and says, I need to finish this article. So this is going to be the action of the subject. So let me play this video. I think we generated this already. So this is it right here. And this is what we have.
I need to finish this article by noon.
So this is the practical prompt of a music video I created some times back. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to show you how the www element played out in this scene. This is going to be the full description of the subject. A handsome young African man with a well-groomed beard, wearing a sleek black leather jacket, fitted t-shirts, designer sunglasses, stands in front of a glowing neon wall with bold red and purple lights. So you can see from here, we have the description of the subject. And now from this place, we're talking about the environment of the subject. So stand in front of a glowing wall. So we have this, all right, and Afro beat feel, the air, smooth bass and sharp percussion. This is still the description of the environment. That's the where. And now this is the what. You can see right here. It sings a playful Afro pop song about a woman who captured his heart. His movements are confident and relaxed, delivering each lyric with charm. These are actually contain 3 map mind. So with this map mind, you can create anything. The first we're going to talk about is the subject, add all the description. And the second thing you're going to talk about is the environment. So paint the environment, create the environment as much as you can. Here you can use ChatGPT to help you with the environment. But if you just go to ChatGPT and say, help me with this, you might not get this result. So it's good to understand this basic principle. In Veo V3, you can also add the camera angle. And the best place to do that is to put it in your prompt. All right. So I'm going to add that in my, that's just by the way, you can create this without having a specific camera angle. Once you send this prompt, is going to create a camera angle for it. But I want to have a full control of the camera angle, so I have to just, after I've added the subject, the environment, and the action, so I'm just gonna, so I gave it this camera angle, all right, and I explained how the camera angle works so well with the sound and the beat and the lyrics. So I'm also gonna play this video now. I'm going to show you what this looks like. All right, so I'm gonna just come here and play this video.
Girl, you got that fire, you light up my desire. My heart beats like a drum for you, baby.
Same way, I also created this work. This is also a music video, and here's the prompt. All right, so it started with the subject. All right, so this is going to mix both the subject and the environment and the action together in different sentences. All right, now you can see that it just switched the soft of the glow channel as reflect off the polished floor. So it actually brought in the environment. I'm still describing the subject. So you can see next thing, it continues with the subject. So she holds a microphone in one hand and her other hand gently resting at her side. All right, this is actually still talking about the subject. And next we see the subject again. Her eyes are filled with emotion. An heartfelt ballad about a man, the words tender and full of longing. Now, here you can see that while we're still describing the subject, we introduced the action. You can see that, and the action begins where she sings a heartfelt ballad about a man, the words tender and full of longing. Then introduce the camera angle. You can see that. You can see the camera angle here, so that you can just leave without camera angle. But you might add it if you want a custom camera angle in your mind. Mixing everything together. This is also what you can do, and you can just put everything together into 1 or 2 paragraphs.
In this quiet room, I dream of you.
As I promised, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you 2 content ideas you can do with Veo V3. So the first one you can do is creating music videos. As I just showed you, you can start creating music video with Google Veo V3, and it's going to be all yours, and you can start putting that out. And the second thing you can create is to create challenge videos. So you can see this video, people doing crazy challenges.
Bathing in liquid cement until it hardens.
I'm doing K2 the honest way, alone, unprepared, and in a straight line. Leave a comment for the search team. About to do the first plunge into an active volcano. Let's send it.
We spent $50 million to rebuild the Titanic just to sink it again. Last person to abandon ship gets a lamb.
With this, I hope you've been able to learn something about creating a perfect prompt for your Veo V3. And I think by now, while creating your next video, you're going to create something nice. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question or if there's something you want me to talk about next in Veo V3. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.